Girl Bella.
Hi babes, it's me, Shannon B for BrownGirlBella, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. To continue on my fall trends vibe, I want to bring you another fall trend that's going to be hot this fall, and that is jewel toned eyes. Whether it's emerald, sapphire, or amethyst, keep everything neutral and let those eyes pop. So today I'm going to try Blitz Emerald by Pat McGrath on the eyes, and then everything else is going to be very neutral. So those eyes do all the talking for me. So let's begin. I'm going to first line my eyes using a green eyeliner, and I'm going to make it really chunky because we're going to put that eyeshadow all over it. So I'm going to line really heavily the top and the bottom lashes. So we're going to get into that waterline. Green is also a great way to accent your brown eyes and really make those eyes shine and twinkle. Brown and green are complementary colors, so they really go nicely together. I'm going to use my classic crease brush, and I'm going to dip into Blitz Emerald, which you can find in the Mothership 2 Sublime. I'm going to dip into that, and then we're going to place this all over the eyes. See that richness in that color? And this is also a great way to be one and done with your eyeshadow as well, because you can blend it into the crease and it will look like you have two colors on when it's really only one. Blend it all the way up to the crease. And then if you want to add more to the lid to make it really pop, make it really shiny, you can do that. Just dab your brush onto the lid and gently pat onto the lid. Make sure you get the inner corner as well. Because we want to wrap the entire eye in this jewel tone. So to get that lower lash line, I'm going to use a smaller brush. This is the Rougher 02, and I'm going to take that brush and run it right along the bottom lash, and we're going to connect it to what we did on top. Okay, and this is the completed look. Again, fall trend number 2, jewel tone eyes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below if you're going to be trying this trend for fall, and if so, which product you're going to use and which color. Let me know in the comment section below. Until then, you've been Bellafied. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon.